Hey y'all, Prepper Pam here. I'm processing some of my fruit today. Got the orange balls in there. These are for recipes, they're for smoothies, whatever you want to do. Super simple. I'll just put them in there in a ball, frozen, and they'll be fine. I normally save my orange peels, but my bag is full. So I just cut the ends off, cut around the side. That sounds a little dry. And I put them in the bag. So when you want one for your smoothie, you reach in and pull out one orange. Simple. A lot of people I know juice them and they put them into ice cube trays. That's just too much work for me. I try to cut off most of the pulp that I can. Got a nice orange, put it in the bag. So that's basically all I do. See these nice oranges? Beautiful oranges. And I'm just going to seal the bag. Put them in my freezer, and when they freeze, when I put them in the freezer, I lay them flat. See, see like that? Just lay them flat. It's easier just to grab a frozen one right out of the bag. So anyway, just a little tip. If your fruit starts to go, a little soft, process it. Don't chuck it, just process it. Perfect for smoothies. You can even you can process these, even make, orange juice out of them. So, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. This is a really short video. Hope it helps. Have a cool day, y'all.